Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Subscribe now and don't miss anything. Bell V280 Valor. At first glance, the Bell V280 Valor may strike you as an unholy blend between airplane and helicopter, and that's okay. It is a converted plane created for the sole purpose of pushing the boundaries of efficiency in military and rescue operations. If you've ever watched it fly, you're likely to be impressed by its stunning maneuverability, a characteristic which makes it likely to be the best option to replace the flagship Black Hawk used by the US Army. As demonstrated in test flights, the Bell V280 Valor can take off at a steep angle and effortlessly transition between helicopter to airplane mode in midair. It can seat up to 14 people and carry weights in excess of 11 tons. Developed as a tilt-rotor aircraft by Bell and Lockheed Martin, this aircraft cruises at a top speed of 350 miles an hour or 560 kilometers per hour, making it the best option when speed and handling are required. It is capable of vertical takeoff and landing as well as mid-air hovering, which removes the requirements for long runways. Atlas Human-Powered Helicopter. The Atlas Human-Powered Helicopter was designed by AeroVelo X, an aeronautical engineering startup founded by University of Toronto graduates Todd Reichert and Cameron Robertson. In 2013, the Atlas won the Sikorsky Challenge and its $250,000 prize in a record-breaking 64-second flight. During this flight, it reached an amazing speed of 3.3 meters, smashing the previously held record of 3 meters. This feat was previously thought to be scientifically impossible, but the Atlas didn't let that stop it. It raised funds through Kickstarter and designed a 55-kilogram machine that went on to prove that some scientific theories need correction. The Atlas is controlled by pedaling a bicycle-like wheel to turn the aircraft's 4 enormous independent rotors. Kinetic Sculptures. These Kinetic Sculptures are a series of artistic creations designed by well-known artist Anthony Howe. It features a series of constantly moving pieces that leave people in awe whenever they are viewed. It has been described as peaceful, transcendental, and healing, with reports claiming that viewing this installation can bring comfort and peace of mind. This mind-blowing sculpture consists of 256 linked mirrors, which oscillate when the wind flows, and provide a haunting and hypnotic rhythm. This is a face sculpture in motion, comprising of individually balanced and weighted copper panels moving in the wind. Some are free swinging and others are articulated by spinning stainless cups. Wind tree. These wind turbines are amazing tree-shaped structures that help convert wind energy to electrical energy, continuously providing a clean and renewable source of energy for electrical needs. They are typically placed in outdoor installations, and one of the primary constraints preventing their widespread use is their size. Engineers all over the world have struggled to create more compact windmills, and from the look of things, it seems like they have succeeded. This amazing new invention is known as a wind tree, and several prototypes have been spotted in various parts of the country. Its main distinguishing feature of the invention is its relatively compact size, as it's about the size of a regular tree. Its dimensions include a height of 9.8 meters and the diameter is 7.2 meters, and more than 36 leaves which function as microturbines that rotate on a vertical axis. One of these amazing wind trees can light 15 lanterns, provide 16,000 kilometers of driving range to an electric car. Bosch EasyCut 12. The Bosch EasyCut 12 is an amazing device that would help speed up your woodcutting process. It is a mini chainsaw, featuring advanced Bosch nanoblade technology, which minimizes vibration during operation. It is also equipped with mechanisms that enable speedy blade change, which significantly cuts down on the time and money needed for machine maintenance. It consists of an ergonomic design, which, together with its low weight, make using this machine for freehand. You can use the EasyCut in the garden to saw off branches, small trees, and bushes. The maximum operating speed has been shown to be 4,100 RPM, and this device can be yours at prices starting from $180. Mission Master. The Mission Master is a complex robot prized for its multifunctionality. It works as a transport, combat, and exploration system all at the same time, and has been described as being top of the line at each task. It makes it easier to cargo out combat and rescue tasks, with a large deck to secure the cargo and equipment, and a maximum carrying capacity of 600 kilograms. It carries out its multifunctionality with the use of movable modules that are installed on the platform. It moves on ground at speed of 40 kilometers per hour and in water at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Walkwing. We all wish we could walk faster. Personally, I have always wished I could run at the speed of light, and while this new device doesn't quite get there, it gets as close as humanly possible. The Walkwing is an amazing invention that offers the opportunity to speed up your transit when you really need it. All you need to do is put them on and flick out the retractable wheels. The Walkwing is both effective and comfortable, with cutting-edge design and quick installation, all at a price of $90. Fun Shell. We all love backpacks. Unfortunately, at some point we either outgrow their traditional design or simply begin to think that we're too cool to use them. Well, the Fun Shell backpack comes as a revolutionary new improvement to backpacks with its unique foldable cover. The Fun Shell is your best bet for a rainy or sunny day as it deploys quickly without you having to take it off. At the push of a small button, it starts up a powerful fan, guaranteeing to bring cool relief to your day. Added functions aside, the Fun Shell remains a functional backpack, capable of storing and transporting to your heart's content. You can buy this spacious and waterproof backpack at prices ranging from $55 to $169. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most amazing machines and inventions from all over the world. Which of these machines or inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.